Do you want to get a six-figure corporate job as a data analytics consultant? Do you want to be able to live and work from anywhere in the world? And most importantly, are you ready for artificial intelligence? Listen, data analytics is an extremely important skill in today's data-driven world. Nearly 90% of all the data available has been created in the last 2 years. Data is the oxygen of business. This means that learning to capture, prepare, and present data is going to put you ahead of your peers in today's competitive job market. Just like carpenters need tools, you are going to have to master at least one data analytics software application in order to become a data analytics consultant or developer. IBM Cognos Analytics is the top data analytics software on the market, and it is being used by some of the top companies in the entire world across all industries like banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, human resources, sales, retail, the government, and even the US military. I have created an IBM Cognos Analytics online course to get you from beginner to expert in less than 8 weeks. The skills you learn and the results you deliver using IBM Cognos Analytics will help corporations see opportunities and challenges in advance by, for example, focusing on customer behavior or specific product features, which will help in making better decisions for the near future. This will increase profitability, market share, and greater returns to shareholders. Being a competent data analytics consultant is like being a rock star in the tech world because you are able to magically transform boring looking data into stunning dashboards for executives, business leaders, and the top decision makers at every organization. And the best part is you can live and work from anywhere in the world for your American clients, and you also position yourself for artificial intelligence because AI is going to depend on your data skills in order to get anything done. So enroll in my IBM Cognos Analytics online training course to get hired fast. Thank you very much.